Hi, I'm Lou. Most major furnaces like this have a built-in air conditioner that cools the air and also pulls out the humidity. That humidity should be going in the form of a water stream out into a drain. If your air conditioner is cooling just fine, but leaving a puddle of water on the floor, you have a drain problem, and today I'm going to show you how to fix that. We start by locating our evaporator coil. Look for 2 copper pipes going into the furnace. One will be wrapped in foam, and if the air conditioner is running, this will be cold. Turn off the power and unscrew this panel. And off it comes. This whole thing is the evaporator coil. Air blows up the middle of this and then comes out these 2 sides, and these are actually cold plates which cool the air, and they also condense the humidity, and then that drips down these grooves and lands down in this drip tray, and then finally goes out a drain over here. The easiest problem to have is a clogged drain line. You'll find that this is full to overflowing, and that's what's causing water to go on the floor. So all you have to do is take this apart, clean out your drain line, and you'll solve your problem. If you're still watching this video, you probably have the harder problem, which is a cracked or leaking drain pan. To work on it, we'll first need to slide our evaporator coil out. The drip pan is held on by these 2 screws in the front, and 2 more just like that on the back side. With those screws free and a little bit of struggle, we can get that pan out of there. Now I'll clean it off with a hose. Let's take a closer look. And right away you can see there's a crack in the tray that's causing the leak right there, and there's actually one on the other side too. I'll clean these up with sandpaper and coat the area with a glue that bonds to plastic. In my case, Duco cement. And we'll let those dry overnight. Here we are the next morning out in the sunlight so you can see it better, and that Duco cement has really formed a nice seal. So our pan is all ready to put back in. Back on it goes, and then we'll slide the whole thing back in. And put the cover back on. A good sign that we fixed the leak is that our drain line is pouring like crazy. We're pulling about 1.6 gallons every hour. My leak is fixed and my problems are all dried up. Thanks for watching and good luck fixing your air conditioner.